Hi friends. So now you welcome to the question and answer session. You are already seen my first and second slides in trigonometry 1 and 2. Now we go for the multiple choice questions on the slide of trigonometry 1 and 2. So basically I have time another one time. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So trigonometry, it is a relationship between the three sides of the right angle triangle. ಒಂದು ಲಂಬಕೋನ ತ್ರಿಭುಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಬಾಹುಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ trigonometry. So in the trigonometry, this is the right angle triangle. So this one is 90 degree. So this one is called as hypotenuse. This one is called as hypotenuse. HYP we are written as hypotenuse. So here is the angle theta. The opposite side of this theta is called as opposite side. Okay. So next, this is the adjacent side. So this is the adjacent side of the theta, that is called as the adjacent side. The hypotenuse will never change us. The hypotenuse value is always positive. But the theta, if the theta, ನೋಡಿ ಈ theta change ಆದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದರ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು opposite side, theta ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು adjacent side. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದೇ theta, if the theta will changes to here, it has become the opposite side. This one is called as adjacent side. I think you are well understand now. So now again you go for the, so here is the theta is there. So this one is called as the hypotenuse. This one is called as the opposite side. This one is called as the adjacent side. Now this is the angle theta. So this ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಲಂಬ ಕೋನ ತ್ರಿಭುಜ. ಈ ಲಂಬ ಕೋನ ತ್ರಿಭುಜ ನೋಡಿ ABC is the right angle triangle. ABC is the right angle triangle. ಈ ABC ಲಂಬ ಕೋನ ತ್ರಿಭುಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಾಹುವನ್ನು ವಿಕರ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕರ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಇದು ಬಾಹು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಬದಲಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲಂಬ ಕೋನ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದರ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು, ವಿಕರ್ಣ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಂಬ ಕೋನ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಪೋಥೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥವಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ ಆಂಗಲ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಾಹುವನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಬಾಹು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದರ ಪಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಾಹುವನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಪಕ್ಕದ ಬಾಹು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ, the hypotenuse is AC, opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. Now comes to the basic question, that is the first question. What is asking the question? See here, in a triangle ABC, see here is the triangle ABC is the triangle is there, right angle triangle. So AC is called as hypotenuse, AB is called as opposite side, BC is called as adjacent side. So what is the question? In a right angle, in a triangle ABC, sin theta, you know that very well. Sin theta, very simple. So already I explained in the first slide each and everything. So sin theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. In simply we are writing as SOH. That means sin theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. In the same way, cos theta is equal to A by H. So A, nodi CAH, this one is CAH, that is cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. In the same way, tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent side. This is A. Tan theta is equal to O by A. Simple way you can understand this one. Sin theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent side. Now see, so by seeing this one, what he is asking is, so sin theta is always opposite divided by hypotenuse. This is opposite divided by hypotenuse. That means AB by AC. AB by means that means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Which is the correct answer? Opposite divided by first is the correct answer. You can take the mouse and take here. ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಎ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿ. In a triangle PQR, see here. Now you see here PQR. PQR is the right angle triangle. PQR is the right angle triangle. Here is the right angle, hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent. What is the question now? Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, basically you know that cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Here is the hypotenuse. Here is the hypotenuse. Here is the adjacent side. That means answer should be adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Where is the adjacent divided by hypotenuse? This is opposite divided by adjacent. This is the wrong answer. Hypotenuse divided by opposite side. This is also wrong answer. Which is the correct answer? See here, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. C is the correct answer for the second question. Which one is? C. C is the correct answer. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Now comes to the next question. That is the third question. In a triangle XYZ. See, XYZ is the right angle triangle. Angle Z is equal to 90 degree. The opposite to the Z is hypotenuse. The next here is the theta. Opposite to the theta is called as opposite side. That is XZ. So YZ is called as adjacent side. The question will be, in a triangle XYZ, tan theta. What is the formula for the tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent side. Opposite divided by adjacent side. That means XZ divided by YZ. Opposite by adjacent side. First one is opposite divided by hypotenuse is there. This one is called as the sin theta. Opposite divided by adjacent side is there. Note, this is the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. See, adjacent divided by opposite. This is cot theta. None of this is also wrong answer. Right answer is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Next, tan theta is equal to, which is the correct answer? He is asking. Tan theta, we know that. So, sin theta is equal to 1 divided by cosecant theta. Okay. Cos theta is equal to 1 divided by secant theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 divided by cot theta. Okay. Cot theta. We already know that. In the same way, tan theta is also equal to cos theta divided by, sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta. In the same way, cot theta is also equals to cos theta divided by sin theta. So cos theta divided by sin. On this basis, so which is the correct answer now? Tan theta is equal to, I already proved in the lesson, tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Because see here, so tan theta, so sin theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay. So in the same way, cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. I think you are well understand this one. See here another one time. Sin theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Now first we will take this one, opposite divided by hypotenuse into, you make this ulta. So that means, so here is the numerator, here is the denominator. When denominator comes to the numerator, the denominator changes to numerator, numerator changes to denominator. Then hypotenuse divided by, so this one is adjacent side. Correct? So this hypotenuse will be cancelled. The opposite divided by adjacent side. That means opposite divided by adjacent side means tan theta. So this answer is the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? Sin theta by cos theta. This is wrong answer. This is also wrong answer. What we required is sin theta by not cot theta, cos theta. Which is the correct answer? This is the correct answer. Sin theta by cos theta. Okay. So comes to the next question. Cot theta. So now you go for the cot theta. So I will erase this one. See here. So next comes to the cot theta. So this cot theta, not cos theta. This one is cot theta. So cot theta is equal to, we know that 1 divided by tan theta, or 1 divided by tan theta, or so cos theta divided by sin theta, cos theta divided by sin theta. So this, how we will get this one? See, here is the 1 divided by tan theta is there? No, it is not there. Then you go for the cos theta by sin theta is the correct. How it will be correct? See here, cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay. What is the cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by, okay, adjacent divided by hypotenuse, okay, whole divided by sin theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse, okay. So now equals is here. Now you take the numerator, adjacent divided by hypotenuse into hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Hypotenuse will be cancels. So now you are getting, so adjacent divided by opposite side is nothing but a cot theta. It's nothing but a cot. Which is the correct answer? So where is this answer? Cos theta by sin theta. You can search here. A is the correct answer. See here, cos theta by sin theta. This for this cot theta is equal to cos theta by A is the correct answer. Now another question will be sin theta. So comes to the last question, fifth question in this pattern. So sin theta, here is the question. Sin theta is equal to, we know that sin theta is equal to 1 divided by cosecant theta. How? See here, sin theta is equal to, we know that opposite divided by hypotenuse. Is it correct? Okay. In the same way, you take as the RHS, that is 1 divided by cosecant theta. 1 divided by cosecant theta is equal to 1 divided by cosecant theta means hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Is it correct? So let's see here. So 1 divided by 1 into, make it reverse, this is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay. So opposite divided by hypotenuse is there. That means sin theta. So this is sin theta. You can write sin theta, or it is equal to 1 divided by cosecant theta. ನೋಡಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ sin theta ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by cosecant theta. sin theta ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay. ಅದೇ ತರ 1 divided by cosecant theta ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? 1 divided by cosecant theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by cosecant theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ hypotenuse divided by opposite side. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಈಗ ಈ ಮೇಲಿನ ಅಂಶವನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದು 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಇಂಟು ಈ ಛೇದದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಅಂಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಯ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಛೇದ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅಂಶ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಶ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಛೇದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೈಪೋಥಿನಿಯಸ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈಪೋಥಿನಿಯಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಪೋಥಿನಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಆವಾಗ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕೊಸಿಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಯಾವುದು? 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕೊಸಿಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಬಹಳ ಡೆಡ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ.